One of the biggest barriers was overcoming my fear and self-consciousness about actually seeking help.
But once you've done this opening up, reaching out for support, this really hard thing, it's important to recognise that you've already made such a big step.
One of the things I struggled with most was then actually making the changes. I just wanted it to be sorted already. Like I don't want to have to do all this work.
There's a lot of trial and error, and not everything you try is going to work. But the more we do something, the easier it becomes. It's how our brains work. But it takes time and patience and practice to make new habits.
Even the smallest of steps that don't even feel like steps, they are progress, and they accumulate to big steps, and after a while these hard tasks just become so much easier.
And it's not going to be perfect. There'll be off days, and that's okay. Just try not to be too hard on yourself. You've still got all the progress you've already made. It's not like it resets. You can pick it up again tomorrow or in 10 minutes and just keep going.
What you're doing is such a big thing. And I think sometimes when you're in the thick of it, you don't realise until you're out of it how well you've been doing.
I found it helpful to share how I was doing with other people who could see the amount of work that was going into even really small wins and who were there for me. So I think finding your own support system can be really important.
I found it helpful to think about the future, and it obviously didn't include still being unwell.
I know there'll be things that come up that will be challenging, but I'm just now at a place where my eating disorder isn't part of dealing with that.
What I found with my recovery was that it wasn't just about recovering from the behaviours. I was finding out about new parts of myself, like what I like doing, who I want to be, finding joy and connection and laughter. Learning how to just rest, that was a big thing for me. I've grown into myself more.
I think it's one of the bravest things you can do. You've just got to keep going and keep believing. It is worth it. You'll get there.